Hey, what's going on you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you set up templates on your Gmail account. So let's start. All right, so first here, let's go ahead and open up your settings in here. Now click on see all settings. And from here, click on advanced option right here. And from here, let's enable templates. Save changes. Okay, now that we set it up, let's try and reply with templates. So let's say, for example, let's open up this email here, and I want to reply to this email. So what I can do is I can type my reply in here. This is just an example. And what I can do is to click on the three dots in here and click on templates and click on save as template. Save as new template. Now you can enter a template name. Let's just say, for example, let's name this one template 1. Click on save. Okay, so you can use this template to reply to emails. Now let's look at the next one here. If I want to reply with this one using a template, I can just tap on reply. Now I have this three dots in here. Let's click it. Click on templates. And here we see that we already have our template 1, and it will automatically load in here. So what you can also do is you can click on the three dots, go to templates, save draft as template, and you can actually add new template in here. So this is all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.